Today we will discuss the important MCQ on the Indian Penal Code 1860 on the topic affray, which is covered under section 159 of the IPC. We'll begin with the questions. This is the important topic yet easy. So the first question is, under Indian Penal Code 1860, the offence of affray has been defined in A. Section 146, B. Section 148, C. Section 159, D. Section 149. So the correct answer is answer C, that is section 159. So this was asked in the UP PCSJ in 2015. So I have already told you this is an important topic, but this is a very easy topic and I will make all the concept clear in this short video only. So the next question is, under the provision of the Indian Penal Code, fighting of two persons in a public place and disturbing the public peace will amount to A. an affray, B. a rioting, C. an unlawful assembly, D. no offence. So here the option D is not the correct answer because of obviously it makes an offence. So the offence is an affray. The correct answer is option number A, that is when two persons in a public place disturb the public peace will amount to an affray. So the next question is, an offence of affray under section 159 of Indian Penal Code is attracted. This is important, so you have to listen the options very carefully. Option A, when there is exchange of abuses without exchange of blows. B, when there is exchange of abuses with exchange of blows. C, when there is exchange of abuses only. D, when there is mere quarrel. So the correct answer is option B, that is when there is an exchange of abuses with the exchange of blow. It means कि आप abuse भी कर रहे हो और हाथ भी या मुक्काबाजी भी हो रही है उसमें, तो तभी वो affray बनेगा. And the next question is, for which of the following offence common object is not an essential ingredient? So here the question is, common object is not essential ingredient because I will let you know in the my explanation part. So the options are A. rioting, B. affray, C. unlawful assembly, D. none of these. So the correct answer is affray. It is because only two persons are involved. So in a common object you need to have like more than two people, so for affray you just need two people to commit the offence of the affray. So here common object is not an essential ingredient. The next question is, which of the following does not constitute an offence of affray? So the options are A. 5 or more persons, B. by fighting, C. in a public place, D. disturb the public peace. So this was asked in the Uttarakhand preliminary examination in 2012 and the correct answer is option A, that is 5 or more person, because for an affray you need two persons only and all of the other options are correct, that is B, C and D. So this was asked in the, I've already told you, in Uttarakhand and also in Odisha in 2018. The next question is, fight under section 159 of IPC signifies A. two opposite parties actively involved, B. two parties one of which is passive, C. two parties both of which are passive, D. none of the above. So the correct answer is option A, that is two opposite parties actively involved. So under section 159 of IPC, one of the element of affray is fighting between the two or more person. So such fight must be necessarily include a contest or struggle for the mastery between the two persons actively involved against one another, implying therein some violence against one another. So it is clearly mentioned in section 159 of the IPC, and this was asked in the Haryana in 2011. The next question is, for AFRE, which of the following is correct? A. Mere show of force is sufficient. B. Actual force or violence must be used. C. Mere possession of deadly weapon is sufficient. D. All of the above. So the correct answer is option number B, that is actual force or violence must be used. So in the definition of AFRE under section 159, force or violence is must to constitute. So here you have to use the actual force. And the next question is, minimum number of person required for AFRE under section 159 of the IPC is A 5, B 2, C 4, D 7. The correct answer is option number B, that is 2. I've already told you from the beginning of this video that we require 2 persons. So in this series of the MCQ, I have made the topic in a very easy, and you have to just revise these MCQs and the topic AFRE will be clear to you. And the last question of my MCQ series is the example. A and B beat each other up by and exchange blows in a cinema hall in the middle of a movie. They are guilty of A. riot, B. assault, C. AFRE, D. use of criminal force. So this is the topic wise example, but अगर ऐसे भी कोई MCQ आता है ये, तो आप लोग उसको आसानी से कर सकते हैं if you'll revise my this MCQ series again. And the correct answer for this question is option number C, that is AFRE. And this were all my questions regarding AFRE. I hope I made it easy and clear. So I'll come again with the next important topic of the IPC. Till then, take care and stay tuned.